Hello guys, today we're gonna make مقلوبة. We're gonna need 2 potatoes, 1 onion and 2 tomatoes. طماطة قديمة كانت بالثلاجة and some meat ما أدري ايش قد لأن أمي طلعتها من الفريج. A little bit of olive oil in the pot. Then we're gonna add the meat and let it cook on low fire. Now we're gonna peel the potato. Peel يقشر. The skin هي القشرة. Then we're gonna dice the potato. Now the onion, we're gonna make it wings. معناها جوانح. Here it is. Eggplant إذا كان أمريكان و aubergine اللي هو الباذنجان وحش الطاوة الأسود. We're gonna dice it also. الدايس معناها مكعبات مثل النرد. وما أعرف ليش رحت عرفت الباذنجان بس ما يخالف قواعه. Now we're gonna add the onions. Then a clove of garlic. The clove was in the thumb. If you don't like it, then don't use it. It's up to you. Now we're gonna boil the potato for 5 minutes, I think, or more. We're gonna add some salt, some curry, a little bit of turmeric because you like it red, you know, or you like it yellow, and some mint, dried mint to add some flavor. And now the spices: smoked paprika, chili, dried chili, home dried, and garlic powder and some cloves. The cloves هنا نجوا شنو معناه القرنفل. Now we're gonna add some hot water to the meat to let it cook slowly and on a low heat. It will take its time بس ما أدري إيش قد يعني طول هو بس هو طول هواية. Okay, chili, cloves and smoked paprika, garlic powder. راح تقولون إيش قد بيها ثوم بس هي طيبة صارت يعني مو ذاك الطعم مبين. Now we're gonna add some olive oil to the pot, some onion, black pepper, cloves, chili, tomato paste. It's gonna look like that. Then we're gonna add the washed groats اللي هو الجريش أو البرغل. I don't know what's the difference between them. I've melted some butter here in the pot. Add some tomato, a piece of bread, some chili sauce, pomegranate syrup. Now we have some juice of the meat. The first layer is meat, the second layer is شعرية. If you know شعرية, how can you use it, how we can translate it. Then we have fried green pepper. Then we're gonna make them to layers. Add some chili finally. And I'm gonna add some onion from the sauce, but I don't know why I did that. ما أعرف أتفيك عليكم يجوز. Okay, now we have the sauce. We're gonna flip it. It's gonna be cool, I think. Don't look at the stains on the pot. And voila. It's magnificent. Some garnish. الجارنش اللي هي هاي اللي فوق ملاعب العيد. We look at the meat. It's really cooked well. Okay, now we're gonna try it. مقلوبة has 60 luck in her head. راسها 60 حب. Thanks for watching and see you another time. Goodbye.